Hey guys, so I'll be showing you how to jailbreak all the devices on the latest firmware 3.1.2 including iPod Touch 3rd generation. So this does work with the iPod Touch 1st generation, 2nd generation, 3rd generation, and the iPhone 1st generation, 3G and 3GS. Before you start though, note that this jailbreak, Black Rain, will only jailbreak. It will not unlock or preserve your iPhone's unlock. So if you're relying on the unlock to use your phone, try Ponage Tool or Red Snow instead. But if you're already on 3.1.2 and your baseband is already permanently updated, feel free to try this. The second thing is for iPod Touch 3rd generation users, this will only jailbreak tetheredly. This means that after you have jailbroke the iPod Touch 3rd generation, if for any reason you turned off the device or ran out of battery on your iPod Touch 3rd generation, you'll need to plug in the computer and activate the iPod again. So the iPod Touch 3rd generation is only jailbroken tetheredly. Alright, so before we start the jailbreak, as you can see right here, I'm actually restoring my iPod Touch 2nd generation to firmware 3.1.2. So always restore your device before you jailbreak. This will reduce errors later on. So if you are experiencing some errors, just make sure you restore your iPod or your iPhone before you start the jailbreak. Alright, so I have restored my iPod Touch 2nd generation to firmware 3.1.2. Now go to the video description and download Black Rain. We'll need this to jailbreak our devices. Next, before we run Black Rain, plug in your device to the computer and open up Windows Task Manager. So just click on Ctrl-Alt-Delete and open it up. Go to Processes and end all iTunes or Apple related programs. So end iTunes and iTunes Helper and Apple Mobile Service and end Apple iPod Service. Just do this because this could reduce errors later on. You can also exit your virus protection and firewalls to reduce any other errors. Okay, so after you have done all that, you can now click on the Black Rain icon. So plug in your iPod Touch or your iPhone to the computer and run Black Rain. You'll see this really huge icon or the button that says Make It Rain. Just click on it and that's all you have to do. You'll see your device going into recovery mode, but then you should see GeoHot's face on your device. If you do not see his face on your device, reboot your phone by holding on the power and home button for 10 seconds and redoing the process. After a minute or so, you should see a spinning logo on the bottom of your device. After your device reboots, go to the next page and you'll see the Black Rain icon. Tap on it and make sure you have a Wi-Fi connection established. If you don't, you'll get this error. That's because Black Rain needs your internet connection to download Cydia on your device. So just select your Wi-Fi connection and then go back to Black Rain. Tap on Cydia or IC or anything you want and then click on Install. It would just take a minute or so to install Cydia. So after you have installed Cydia, your iPhone or iPod Touch will respring automatically. Okay, so my iPod Touch respringed automatically and now I have Cydia. So let's just launch it to test it. And it is working, it is launching for the first time. But what I want to show you right now is actually proving that it's on firmware 3.1.2. So just go to Settings, go to General, and then go to About. And as you can see, it is on firmware 3.1.2, and this is the iPod Touch 2nd generation. So I just wanted to mention it one more time that this will not unlock your iPhone. And for iPod Touch 3rd generation users, this is only a tethered jailbreak, which means if you turn it off or your battery runs out, you'll need to plug it back in the computer and activate using Black Rain again. Alright, so that is how to jailbreak all devices including iPod Touch 3rd generation on firmware 3.1.2. If you like this video, make sure you check out my channel for all iPhone related videos. If you like my channel, make sure you subscribe to my channel by hitting the yellow button. If you want to follow me on Twitter, go to www.twitter.com/iPhoneArena. If you have a question, make sure you comment below and I'll try to get to you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching and I'll see you guys in the next video.